What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. Now, over here, I am telling you all about our website and what it includes. Some of you guys are really not aware that we do actually have our website up. It's been a while since we've had one. Now, when you want to search for us, you can just search payhip.com, Skilled FX Academy. So you can just search that. Oops. Let me just go back to the main page. Now, when you first land on a website, this is what you see at the very top. You're gonna see shop, recommended brokers, blog, and contact. And of course, here it will be your search bar, your profile when you have a profile with us, and your catalog. And then, of course, getting started. As you scroll through, uh, you will, of course, see or be met by the products that we offer you guys. Firstly, our entry system, the effortless trading. We do have our advanced trading course and our Forex checklist. This is just meant for beginners, but I'm going to explain in depth in a few minutes. Now, as you go down, you just met by just a small description of myself. Of course, I'll be your mentor over there. I'm currently some of you guys your mentor right now. And of course, as you scroll all the way, this is the FAQs. This is basically talks about refunds and negotiating prices and so forth, all of the juicy questions that you might have. And of course, I will show you later on as well. If we haven't covered any of your questions that you might have in mind, you can still sort of reach out to us. At the very top, it does show you that contact them, but we'll go shortly right now. When you click any product like this one over here, um, effortless trading, it does show you a bit of some of the entries we've took with this system and the pricing and sort of uh, how it sort of works and what it comes with, the files that you get when you get this indicator. And of course, for the advanced trading course, it has its own page where I just show you sniper entries and things that you are going to be able to get, the curriculum of the course. If you click in any of this, you will see what is included in those, subtopics. The example here, trading psychology, as you can see. If we go back, and of course, if you want to sign up, you can just simply say sign up, and then of course, it will sort of take you through to the checkout. The very same thing here. This is sort of an ebook for beginners. It's a checklist. Checklist just comes with the easy to apply strategy, just one strategy. Of course, just teaches you the basics of technical analysis, uh, psychology and risk management. So that psychology, I would advise it for people who are looking for just something budget friendly, an easy strategy to just apply when you're trading. Okay. Once you've done that, if you want to check out, as you can see here at the very top, we're talking about get 50% on any of our products when you sign up with our broker or prop firm using our links. Now, when you click that link, it will take you straight to this page of recommended brokers. And I typically talk about Just Markets. I've been trading with Just Markets now for a while. Their withdrawals are super fast. Like 1 minute, it's in your bank account. I'll show you some screenshots here. Multiple withdrawals I've done with them. I do post some of my withdrawal stories on our Instagram, so do make sure that you follow us there. Now, as you can see, you can open with this link or this button here. It will take you straight to the Just Forex page. And of course, FTMO, I highly recommend them. I've been with them for almost 3 years right now. And of course, if you want to trade with them, I've never had any problem with them. I have trader friends that have been trading with them. They've never had any problem with them. So go and check them out. You can just click this button. Now, the benefits of just you using this, as I have said shortly or not so long ago, is that you get 50% off any of our products. So if you open an account with our recommended broker, Just Markets, and you fund it, so you have to fund it, or you purchase a prop firm trading account from FTMO, um, of course, you will get 50% off any of our products. So that's a perk of using us or using our links. Now we have blog over here. This is where I write down some of my thoughts, some of the things that I really want to articulate. Not necessarily I want to use a video sometimes or YouTube. I can just use my words in writing. And some of you guys, if you're interested in some of the tips that I give, especially beginners, this is gonna be the page I will be posting every week on that blog page. So do make sure to get to go see it. Okay, contact, where you can basically get in touch. As I said, we did have some of the questions that were answered, but if we did not answer them as much as you would want rather to know, then of course you can just sort of come here and type in your names, email address, message, and it will be sent directly to my email. Or you can just simply chat with me right here when you click this WhatsApp link. Okay. Of course, that's it for our website. As I'm letting you guys know, just spreading awareness of where you can get some of our specialized products where we go a little bit deeper than what YouTube sort of allows. You know, there's some things that cannot just be taught publicly. Um, so yeah, do be part of us. We are here. Don't get scammed or, following Telegram fake pages. This is the only way to sort of just get in contact with myself by clicking this link or just commenting on YouTube, and I'll be able to answer you. God bless you. See you on the next video.